What is up, guys? Raging Raptor here, and today I have a new video for you guys. I am doing the ultimate overkill system. No custom parts, none of that. You know, water cooling is crazy expensive. No, this is all just parts. So let's get into it. First, we have the processor, the CPU, whatever you want to call it. We have the Intel Xeon E5-2699V3. It's an 18-core processor, 2.3 gigahertz. Obviously, you do not need this processor whatsoever if you plan to do anything gaming related. This is obviously just for server use, so definitely don't get this for gaming. That, and it's about $4,000, nearly $4,000, which is more than pretty much everyone's gaming rig. So for cooling, we're just gonna get a Thermaltake Water 3.0 ring. It's the most expensive one, so of course you have to get it. And it has a $20 mail-in rebate, so you know, save money, right? For memory, we have G.Skill Ripjaws 4 series, 32 gigs. I chose this mainly just because it's the most expensive one, and I'm not going for the best. I'm just going for the most expensive, really. You know, everyone wants to see what happens when you kick high to low instead of low to high. For storage, you could see that you're really gonna have a lot of storage. We have 11 Samsung PM863 3.8 terabyte SSDs. These are about $2,000 each, and we have 11, so that's $22,000 worth of storage. But wait, there's more! We have 3 Intel DCP3 608 4 terabyte PCIe SSDs. That is nearly that's $9,000 per, so that makes $27,000 for 12 terabytes of storage for 3 little PCIe drives. Obviously, you won't be running out of space anytime soon. For video cards, we have the PNY Quadro M6000 12GB video card. This is pretty much these are workstation grade cards, so obviously don't get them for gaming. It has 12 gigs of VRAM, like no games even use that. Sorry, we skipped the motherboard. Somehow we have the ASRock X99 workstation grade, I don't know what the E stands for, /10 gig EATX motherboard. It has 10 gig internet, so that's obviously high business grade Wi-Fi. No one's gonna have that at their home. This is definitely more for enterprise or business solutions. This is nearly $700 for a motherboard, may I remind you. There are people that have rigs that cost cheaper than this. And that's kind of sad. For the case, we got the Corsair 900D ATX full tower case for $345. That is a lot for a case. Except, you know, Lian Li probably has something more expensive than that. But Lian Li has high quality products, so you have to admit on that one. For the PSU, we have the EVGA Supernova T2 1600 watt 80 plus titanium fully modular power supply for $393, even though we're only using 1433 watts, and you know, it just doesn't make sense to get something this high. We're just going for overkill, so yeah, we got it. Of course, we got an optical drive that no one is gonna use in this build. A Light-On IHAS 224-06 DVD drive, and it also writes, so you know, that's nice. It is $180, complete ripoff. Don't buy it. They have the same thing for $12. For the OS, we just got Microsoft Windows 10. You don't need overkill. Screw it on that one. Case fans, we have Silence. I don't even want to pronounce that. I don't want to. I'm done. COO-XPF80.R.PWM Fans, geez Louise, you could put in a lot more of these. It just would take me too long to put a bunch in, but you could probably put 5 more. And of course we get a fan controller, $135, and the total price for this build, not including, you know, a monitor, headphones if you're doing gaming, you know, keyboard, mouse, monitor, desk, I said monitor again. So it is a total of $75,214.18. And that is without taxes and other things that you might want. Who knows, maybe you'll want more storage. Maybe though all 18 cores isn't enough for you and you want to have 36, so you'll change the motherboard. But why would you? That's probably crazy. So that is it for this one, guys. I'm Raging Raptor signing off. You're finishing my video. Peace!